Today I would like to teach about the Loft command in 3D solid drawing. So let's say in this drawing we have a hole, but the dimension or radius in the top and bottom hole is different. So we can use the Loft command. Let's say for example, we need to change first the view in the top view. So select top view. Let's say for example, we draw the circle. The first circle, the diameter is, the radius is 3.6. Enter. And then draw another circle from this one. The radius is 1. Enter. So we need to move the object. So move. Enter. Which object to move? The smaller one. Click this object. Enter. From where? From this point to this one. So you can on auto. So from this one to this one, let's say for example the height is 12. So enter. So after you move already the object, you can apply the Loft command. So you just go to solid, select Loft command here, select object, this one, select second object, this one, enter. So select cross section only. Click. So the object already have the connection from the top to the bottom. Let's say this object we need to replace to this hole. So you just move, enter, select object to move this one, enter from this point of auto, so to this center point. So enter. So we need to subtract this object to make sure that the top and bottom we have a different radius. So we just go to subtract, select object, enter, select another object, enter. Okay, so we can check by change the view, go to 4, we select this one, shader, so we can see by check the orbit. So we can see that the radius from the top and bottom is different by using the Loft command. That's all. Thank you for watching.